What's the most important thing when we're talking about outdoor cooking or grilling or barbecue? Getting that fire started.
How do you do that? Well, I have one of these things. I love this thing. It's a chimney that I put all my charcoal in, whether it's charcoal briquettes or natural charcoal that looks like this. I have these little natural fire starters. If you don't have these guys, some crumpled up newspaper underneath your chimney works beautifully as well. He doesn't always have newspapers laying around. So we put those on the grates underneath our chimney, right like that. Then we get out the big fire. I love using my big tools. And you light those guys. There we go. And in about 15 minutes, you will have the perfect coals to start cooking on. You know, who doesn't like cooking on coals? It's outside, you get that lovely smoke flavor, and I mean, there's just a lot of deliciousness that's happening, and it kind of makes you feel like a badass. So my chimney has been going for about 15 minutes or so, and I am ready to move on. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on some protection. Remember, this handle can be really hot. If you don't have a big, huge glove like this, a towel or something like that will be just fine. So we take it, dump that guy out. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That is a fire.
So, tune in to BBQ Brawl for tips, tricks, and kick-in barbecue.